Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone apps or keep crashing not working properly after the update of latest iOS version. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to check the general. To check that, launch settings, tap on general and tap VPN and device management. Here we have to remove this beta software. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then we move to some other solutions. Number 2, we have to launch settings, connect to Wi-Fi and leave your iPhone for a couple of hours to complete the latest iOS version downloading and installation. If you're facing this issue with a particular app, then remove that app, restart your iPhone and re-download from the App Store. Other thing that we have to do, go to settings, tap on general and tap iPhone storage. Here we have to make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. If iPhone is running out of space, then we have to make some space. What we have to do, go back to general, transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Put iPhone passcode and tap again, reset all settings to confirm. Next, tap and hold the App Store, tap on updates and update your pending applications. You have to update one by one or update all. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.